trying to fix the P0137. This is bank one, which is the driver's side, and this is the downstream auto sensor. We're gonna replace it with an OEM one, and this connector is full of dirt. You always need a pipe when dealing with oxygen sensors. See how rusty it is? Let's see how bad the oxygen sensor is. Look at that. This oxygen sensor is really bad. Yeah. I'm gonna replace it with a new one. Looks like the old one is an OEM. So this is like $25 in Amazon, and this is the OEM version of it, and it has like grease on it already, so no need to put in dielectric on this one or anti-seize, because it already has it. Yep. And connectors are pretty much the same. Okay, we're gonna put it in, and it's gonna be a simple installation. Here is sensor installed, then connected, put it in place. So no more check engine light. I got a P0137 that immediately turns on when I turn on the car. Even if I like clear it, it will still go back immediately. So change it with a new sensor, and no more check engine light, no more ABS light. This one, yeah, see this portion over here, the bulb is busted, so I need to change the bulb for this at the back. Same thing with this one. This one also, the bulb got busted. I should have like replaced this when I replaced the shifter. So yep, and this is not gonna be easy. I have to remove the console again. Probably move it a little bit so that I could access it from the side. Yep. So, yep. It's too bad that this one doesn't light anymore. Yeah, this one is somehow easy to replace. I'm going also to replace the stereo on this one.